I'm John Barksdale. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I'm at the IDEA Teaching Institute, and we're doing functional appliance exercise today. And I've been to quite a few courses on doing appliances, but this course has opened up my eyes to solutions I didn't know about. It's been a big benefit. I'm looking forward to applying it when I get back home. In addition to making the appliance, we've been taught how to solve issues and circumstances patients present that I really didn't know how to handle. So it's been a big benefit, and I'm looking forward to applying it when I'm back home.